Hi guys, my name's Aiden and welcome to my solar oven day. As you can see, this is my solar oven. And how we got this idea is we went to the warehouse and we bought a solar light. We took it apart and there were three main components. Number one, the solar charger. Number two, the rechargeable battery. And number three, the lights. And as we know, light creates heat. And that's how I made my solar oven. The rechargeable, the solar charger, the battery, and the lights, the halogen lights, which create the heat. This is how my solar oven works. So the sun comes down onto my solar charger. And when all my wires are hooked up, the solar charger comes down and the energy goes into the battery. The battery then leads to the switch, and when you flip the switch, it will turn on the halogen lights. And this is my thermometer, and before you turn on the solar oven, you hook it onto the stainless steel top, and then it will tell you how hot the oven gets. Now I'm going to hook up my solar oven, but before I do that, let me introduce you to my dad.
Hi there.
It's very important that I have my dad here, as this thing gets very hot and I need a safety advisor. Before we start, you need to remember one quick rule. Red is always positive and black is always minus. So what we're going to do first is we're going to clip the red one to the positive and the black to the negative. Then we get the two wires connecting from the oven, and we get red, so red is positive. And black is
negative.
Yeah. So we then get, you see these little wires, you just place it in over there, you let it hold it, and then you do the black one, negative one, and now this baby is ready for cooking. I've now put tin foil on my stainless steel top, and I will now pour the egg in. That's it. I will now turn on the oven, and I will hit start on my stopwatch. Countdown, please, Dad.
3, 2, 1.
The halogen lights are now turning on, as you can see, because of the solar panel. The solar panel is charging the battery, and the wires are hooked up to the oven and one to the light switch. So when you turn it on, it is going to light up and heat the egg. You will see on the thermometer now that it will soon start heating up. Last time we got it to a very high degree. It was about 110 degrees, so it's pretty high. Celsius, just to make sure you guys understand. The time is now 1 minute and 10 seconds now. It is now at 9 minutes, and the egg, some parts are whitening now. The temperature is now 80 degrees. It is now 12 minutes has passed, and as I can see, there is steam coming off, which is a good sign. The temperature is now 87 degrees. And there has been quite an improvement. The egg yolk is now looking more like an egg, a cooked egg, of course. It is now 15 minutes and it is cooked. I will now turn it off and add some salt and pepper.
You check this out right here.